Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best cordless ratchets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless ratchets that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ridgid 18 volts brushless cordless inch ratchet. Breaking loose tough nuts and bolts in truly awkward positions can be a chore, but Ridgid's 18 volts brushless cordless inch ratchet can get the job done. This ratchet relies on the brand's 18 volts max output battery lineup to power the brushless motor to a top speed of 250 revolutions per minute. However, this particular ratchet kit doesn't come with a battery. This burly ratchet produces up to 55 feet-lbs of torque, which is more than most of the competition. This gives it the torque to break larger and more stubborn fasteners loose without switching to another tool. It features an onboard LED light, a direction switch that's easy to operate with gloved hands, and a variable speed 2-finger trigger. The Ridgid cordless ratchet proved to be a worthy heavy-duty option during our test. It's a bit long, but it felt powerful, and its durable construction allowed us to apply quite a bit of torque by hand without worrying if the ratchet could handle the strain. The head design is a bit large, but as a heavier duty option, it's probably necessary for all the torque it can handle. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kimo cordless electric ratchet wrench set. Folks who'd prefer to spend less to get more should check out the Kimo cordless electric ratchet wrench kit. This kit comes with the 12 volts ratchet, 2 batteries, a charger, and a set of sockets to allow the user to get to work right away, all stored in a handy plastic carrying case. Plus, a 1/4 inch drive adapter provides a broad range of applications. This ratchet isn't just about the accessories, though. It features an above-average 400 revolution per minute top speed, and it produces 40 feet-lbs of torque. It has a variable speed trigger and a compact design, both allowing for optimal control while under the hood or performing other tasks. We ended up being big fans of the Kimo cordless ratchet, and it's for several reasons. First, we appreciated the fact that it came with 2 batteries, a set of sockets, and a hard carrying case. But one of our favorite features was the pronounced direction switch. It was easy to find and grasp at nearly any angle. Our main complaint? The lead's direction is way off course. At number 3, we have the S-Long cordless electric ratchet wrench set. The S-Long cordless ratchet has a high maximum speed of 400 revolutions per minute and a top torque output of 33.3 feet-lbs. Users can control the power and speed of the inch ratchet with its variable speed trigger, but if the battery runs low, they can use the included manual ratchet wrench. This set also comes with a built-in LED light, 8 standard sockets, an inch to 1/4 inch adapter, and an extension bar. The 12 volts cordless ratchet weighs just 1.8 pounds and it has a soft, rubber-coated grip designed to prevent it from slipping out of a user's hands while working. The included battery charger will fully charge a battery in just 60 minutes, and users can keep track of the charge with the battery power indicator on the ratchet. This cordless ratchet has a forward and reverse switch to change the direction of the rotation and a lock switch to prevent accidentally pressing the trigger. The S-Long ratchet was somewhat of a dark horse in this race of cordless ratchets. We didn't want to like it at first, but it performed just as a cordless ratchet should. It felt as if it were delivering just as much power as the other models, and the speed was reasonable. It came with a set of sockets and a ratchet as well as 2 batteries, all for a good value. The head profile was slim, but it was the longest of the compact ratchets in the test, so it lost a few points there. At number 2, we have the Makita 18 volts LXT Lithium-Ion cordless ratchet kit. Folks looking for flexibility, quality, and speed should check out Makita's 18 volts cordless ratchet. This ratchet receives its power from the brand's 18 volt V battery lineup and features 35 feet-lbs of torque and up to a fast 800 revolutions per minute. It also has a compact design with an ergonomic rubber grip for comfortable use. This ratchet comes with 2 anvils, 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch, that pop in and out of the ratchet head, so DIYers can swap between the 2 sizes when needed. Along with the anvils, it comes with the ratchet, the charger, and a 2Ah battery. This ratchet also features an electric brake and an onboard LED light for illuminating engine bays and other dark spaces. We also appreciated that this ratchet had a much lower profile head than the other large ratchets, so it could sneak into spots the others simply couldn't. We thought the directional switch was a little wonky, however. It's a tiny lever that could potentially catch on wires or hoses. And finally at number 1, we have the Milwaukee Cordless Inch Ratchet Kit. The Milwaukee M12 Cordless Ratchet has a cushioned grip that allows users to work comfortably with minimal hand fatigue. Its onboard battery gauge tells DIYers when they need to recharge the battery so they don't jump into a project that they can't finish. This set comes with a canvas carrying bag, a lithium-ion battery, a rapid charger, and the cordless ratchet. The rapid battery charger can power up the battery fully within 30 minutes, allowing users to get to work quickly. The cordless ratchet has a reinforced metal housing and trigger to extend the life of the tool. It also has a maximum torque of 35 lbs and a variable speed trigger to decrease or increase the speed to a peak of 250 revolutions per minute. With the slim build of this inch ratchet, it can be stored or travel in a toolbox and, along with the built-in LED light, it can perform ratcheting tasks in tight, dimly lit spaces. The LED was spot on, something these compact ratchets seem to get wrong over and over again, though the speed was a little underwhelming.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.